This is a love reading for the Sun sign Capricorn. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread. In this heart-shaped spread, on my left I will be taking out are the cards for Capricorn, and on my right will be the cards for your partner or the person you're dating or is your love interest you're romantically involved with, or if you are a married couple, then your spouse. Now, after I have seen how the cards are for Capricorns who are in relationship, I will then remove the partner cards to only see how the cards are for Capricorns who are single and are looking for love. Normally, in a personal reading, if you were to write to me, I complete the heart-shaped spread for singles with the time spread. That is to know when is it likely that you will find love. Since this is a general reading, I cannot do a time spread for singles and I will only be understanding cards for how the things are looking for Capricorns who are single and are looking for love. So let us see what is the guidance we get from tarot. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenge you bring into the relationship? What is the strength or challenge your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or your partner in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading. So let us see how the cards are. So Capricorn, to me it's looking like you are trying your best to keep peace in the relationship because there is a fair amount of conflict which is going on between you and your partner. It is also possible that Capricorn, you have found someone new or you have moved on from a previous relationship which was not working and you have found yourself a new love interest. But this love interest doesn't seem to understand you that well. So internally, Capricorn, you seem to be going through a lot. First of all, it's telling me that you're finding moving on from a past relationship very, very difficult. So while mentally you have decided to move on, it's not an easy emotional decision for you to take and put it into place. So you have a lot of sadness in you, Capricorn, to move on from the past relationship. It's also possible some of you who are in a relationship are feeling some kind of an abuse and you're not able to really express it or talk to anyone about it. Your partner, to me, it's looking like while they mean well, they just miss out the sensitive part in their dealing with you. Your partner could be someone very, very headstrong who wants to be right no matter what. So while they play it right, they seem to miss out on the sensitivity part in dealing with you. I'm also seeing there is a lot of misunderstanding between the two of you. It's quite possible. Some of you who are newly into a relationship is just telling me there is a teething problem. There is someone who suffered a emotional backlog and then the person you are meeting is trying their best to hold on to the situation, but they can't help it because of their nature of wanting to be right all the time, really. So I'm seeing a lot of communications, a lot of conflict going on in the situation. Now, what is the strength or challenge you bring? So you're an optimist, Capricorn. It's telling me that while you feel that this is a teething problem in the new relationship, or if you are in a some kind of an abusive relationship, you are an optimist. You are looking at all the effort you have put into the relationship over a period of time, and you're not ready to give up. You're being excessively patient. You don't want to take any decision in hurry. You don't want to quit or hurt or bring in your personality into the relationship, which will stir up things. You are being very, very patient and you're putting a lot into the relationship. It's also telling me this is someone very sensible. They know that if they spend time and effort into a relationship, it will have a lot of reward to give in coming times. Now, what is the strength or challenge your partner is bringing? So, your partner is very unassuming. They take a day at a time. So, it tells me that whatever misunderstanding or fights you may be having have to do with something that happens momentarily. They don't choose to hurt you, but it is just their personality. Your partner is very, very unassuming and they like to try out new things. It's quite possible, Capricorn, some of your partners may be starting afresh in their job or employment. Or some of you may be dating someone who just quit their job and wants to start a new business. It's quite possible, Capricorn, you and your partner are fighting or arguing over travel. So it's possible that, Capricorn, you want to spend a lot of time at work and see things through, maybe because you have some impending promotion or some next level coming to you in terms of your employment or business. But your partner looks like wants to travel and you both could be having arguments or discussions over that. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So, Capricorn, as I said, you are an optimist. While you feel your partner has a lot of emotional needs and they sometimes can enact or really act like a victim, you do give a lot of empathy to their situation. You understand your partner as someone who's going through an emotional pain themselves or are going through some kind of a financial loss. So it's telling me more so that your partner has either quit the job or were asked to go or are looking at a new job opportunity overseas. Because it's telling me that, Capricorn, you see your partner as someone who's financially dealing with something and do not have the best of situation financially. So, Capricorn, you're being very empathetic with your partner, really. It's also possible maybe your partner could be suffering from some kind of a health related issue, and that could be the reason of a lot of sadness and conflict. So, this is how you see your partner. You're being very empathetic to your partner's needs. How does your partner see you? So your partner has a lot of respect for you, Capricorn. They see you as someone very well to do, who has loving family, a very beautiful set of friends and family around them. So your partner really sees you as someone who's blessed with love, emotional security, and financial wealth. So it's just telling me that your partner is, it's quite possible for some of you, your partner is really attracted to who you are and the amount of happiness you have. It's quite possible that you are a magnet and your partner is just attracted to you because of your personality. They have a very, very high opinion about you, Capricorn. Your partner has a very high opinion about you. So this tells me that Capricorn, you are the one holding the relationship really. You are the backbone in the relationship because you are being patient, you are putting in all the effort, love, and energy into the relationship. While you have your share of sadness, you are not really bringing it out or dealing because you want to keep peace. And then your partner is totally attracted to you. So it's telling me that you are the rock in the relationship, really. And then you have a lot of empathy for your partner for the situation they're going through. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or your partner? Capricorn, your fear is that unless your partner changes the way they behave and they deal, your fear is this relationship may just come to an end. Or it's quite possible that you feel you may be forced to bring this relationship to a ending. And the reason for that is you're putting everything and the best of everything that is available to you, but it just seems to suck a lot out of you. So this is your fear, Capricorn, that in the long term this relationship may just not last, or you may just have to end it because it's sucking so much out of you. What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship? So both of you have fair share of fear future, about the future really. Your partner sees that these conflicts and fights which are currently going on between the two of you for a variety of reasons and some amount of insensitivity which one of you is experiencing. Your partner feels that this is going to lead to a heartbreak. So Capricorn, your partner can feel that future may not be so promising if you both keep arguing and fighting with each other. So you both feel very similarly about the relationship that it may just not work out in the long term. So suggestion really if you are dating Capricorn is that you may want to show a lot of sensitivity to Capricorn and not really try to prove your point come what may, because Capricorn is doing their best to hold on to the relationship. And this is only a fear which can be dealt with. So, and if you are dating Capricorn or you're a partner with Capricorn and you are in a rocky marriage, just remember that don't take things to your heart because then it's going to hurt even more. And be careful with your communication because if you see, this man is holding three swords here, and then these three swords have pierced his heart. So it's just saying that while you may have won an argument, you may just land up losing a relationship if you are a partner to Capricorn, because these three swords which you seem to have won will eventually kill your heart. So don't just try so hard to prove your point or be right all the time. Even if Capricorns are wrong, you may just want to agree with them just to maintain a balance and love in the air. And it's okay to let the other person feel they're right sometimes, just so that you both don't face this kind of fear to come true. Because currently you both, Capricorn is being very empathetic and you are very attracted to Capricorn. This is the fear you both have. So you both can overcome this fear really and have a beautiful relationship. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Capricorn? and what is the past your partner is coming from. So Capricorn, you've had your share of insensitivity to deal with in this world, and somewhere you have learned that despite the best you do, people just land up sometimes taking advantage of your kindness. So this is the past you are coming from. So it's telling me that it's quite possible that your past relationship was quite abusive, because it's looking like an emotional abuse to me. That is why you are putting up with a headstrong partner with so much empathy. Now, what is the past your partner is coming from? Your partner seems to have also gone through something quite strong in their past. So it's telling me that these are two people who are really genuine and beautiful, but they have experienced something in their past which was hurtful. And both of you want the relationship to work, but you also have fear because of what you have experienced in the past. So the only guidance from tarot is that these are two very understanding people, really. So you both may want to overcome your fear and make peace with the past you've had. Because it's telling me the partner is also quite detached. At one point they gave up on the relationship in the past because of all the suffering that was there. So maybe because of that thought process, they are a bit too headstrong. So this is the energy you may want to correct, really, if you're a partner with Capricorn, because Capricorn has also suffered in the past, but they're striving for balance. So these are really two good people who are trying to deal with their emotions here. So what is the guidance from tarot for the overall love reading? So the guidance is very beautiful. There is This is a very rewarding relationship. You both need to have faith in the relationship. In the future, there is a pregnancy, there is a baby energy, there is a family way coming up in this relationship. So it's telling me the fear about the future needs to be overcome by dealing with the conflict which is there in the present and making peace with what has happened in the past. Because the guidance from tarot is that this is a very, very rewarding relationship and it is on a very strong foundation. So also the key to your relationship, Capricorn, is sensitivity. If you both, you and your partner, can show immense sensitivity and compassion to each other, this will be a long-term rewarding relationship and with a very beautiful family and babies. So this is your guidance, Capricorn, from February to March. Now let us see what are the cards for Capricorns who are single and are looking for love. All the Capricorns who are single and are looking for love is just telling me that you're finding the going very difficult. You're finding it very difficult to move on. So all the Capricorns who are nursing a heartbreak or have gone through some kind of a pain emotionally, you may really want to take a travel and go and spend time with your family, heal yourself. You don't want to be alone and get your faith back into love, relationships, and family life. You are not at all short of any effort, Capricorn. If you believe in a romance or you believe in a partner, you will give in everything that is required to make it successful. And that is very beautiful, really. Now your strength is that your heart may be charred and shattered, but Capricorn, you will continue as if nothing happened. You will not show it to the world. You will discuss it for sure with your family, and the guidance is spend time with your family so that they can help you to take out these swords. And somewhere, when I see what is the challenge in finding love, it's just looking like Capricorn. You may be either expecting that your partner should understand you very well emotionally. Either you overdo it or you underdo it emotionally in the relationship. It's quite possible that maybe because of your experience, what has happened in the past, it's just telling me that you either hold back and don't give in emotionally at all, or you are too emotional and kind that you get abused. Your kindness gets abused. People or the partner starts taking an advantage of you. So the only way you can correct this energy is to spend time with your family and friends. You have a very loving circle of people who genuinely care for you, and they will help you take out these swords and make peace and heal your heart. And when I this get this energy, which is Queen of Cups, as a guidance from tarot, it's saying that love may take a bit of time to happen, but whenever it happens, it's going to be a very rewarding relationship, really. So I'm not really able to do a time spread here, which is to know when is it likely that you will find love. That I'm only able to do in a personal reading if you are single and you write to me. Because this is a general reading and taking time out in a general reading is not possible. So it's telling me that love is going to happen, but it's just going to take a bit of time. And you will get everything. It will be a very rewarding, fulfilling love relationship. With If you are a Capricorn and you look forward to getting pregnant, it's saying it's a very big yes. Very beautiful reading for you, Capricorn, coming up in the month of February to March. So this was your love reading, Capricorn, for the couples, and now this is for the singles.